Hi there! So if you're looking for a smartwatch that doesn't burn a hole in your pocket, and by that I mean a watch that's priced at just 1499 rupees, well, then you should check out the newly launched Zeb-Fit 280CH from Zebronics. The features that it comes with will put many other watches with higher prices to shame. It comes with an SpO2 sensor, a heart rate sensor, a blood pressure monitor, 12 sports modes and a lot more. And by the way, we have two units with us. One is black, one is red. We'll quickly unbox both of them. We'll see how they look, how they perform, so you can decide if this watch is worth your 1500 rupees or not. Let's make it even more fun. We'll do a giveaway for both these units, so watch this video till the end to know how you can win these. Alright, let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Zebronics Zeb-Fit 280CH. Man, they got to work on their naming. These numbers are really confusing. So we have two units. This one is black, this one is red and black. We'll have a closer look at the box packaging. You see the image of the watch right in the front, list of its features right here below, similar features and some more mentioned towards the back. We shall cover them in detail in this video. Then it's all about its colors, black, red and blue. Also they recommend you use a 5-watt 2 ampere adapter only. Alright, so that's it. Let's quickly open it up. And there is the black and there is the red. So inside the box is the watch itself, a proprietary magnetic charging cable and a QR code, which is a very smart idea where you just scan the code and then you go to the website. Everything that you need, all the things available right on your watch. So the good thing is you don't need to save any documentation or paper even if you need it in the future. Similar here. You have the red watch, it's actually the red strap, and you have the same magnetic charging cable and the QR code. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch. We'll start with the black one, and the first thing that gets my attention is the nice soft silicone straps, matte black. They come with a buckle design with the Zebronics branding on them. Pretty cool. Let's get rid of this sticker on the top. So you get a square dial, very nice, clean, matte black finish and won't attract any fingerprints and smudges. But what I'm really liking is that this frame is actually made of metal. Yes, that's a metal frame on a 1500 rupee watch, which is really impressive. On the other side you can see a single button. If you move towards the back is made of plastic though, and you can see all the sensors in the center and the charging terminals here. Now these straps too can be changed with third-party straps. You simply pull this hook mechanism for the strap to release. Fairly simple and easy. Alright, now let's have a look at the red one. Wow, I'm sure kids are gonna absolutely freak out. It's a super vibrant, lovely looking red color. Let's get rid of the screen protector here as well. You have the same buckle strap with the Zebronics branding on it. And the best part is that you get a black color frame with the red strap, which means when you change the strap colors, it doesn't need to depend on the frame color anymore. Black frame means you can use any color of strap and it'll match. It looks really nice. Single button on the side, all the sensors at the back, the charging terminals below. These straps too can be replaced by just pulling the hook mechanism here. There you go, fairly simple. Alright, it's time to quickly pair the watch and see it in action. Now you take your Android or iPhone, either of them will work. Go to the Play Store and look for Zeb-Fit 20 series app. Once installed, click open, come to the second option, click on add device. Take the watch, press and hold the button on the side for a couple of seconds. There'll be a vibration with the Zebronics branding right on the top. And here you can see Zeb-Fit 280CH show up. Click. And there you go, you're done. My God, this was one of the most fastest pairings I've ever seen. So the watch comes with IP68 rating, which means it's protected from dust and water damage. You can wear it at the gym, you can wear it for a run, no worry about sweat. In fact, you can even wear it for a shower too. Technically, you can actually even wear it in the pool since it's IP68 rated. But I won't recommend because any kind of water damage isn't covered under warranty. So let's have a closer look at the display. So we get a 1.39-inch TFT LCD display with a resolution that isn't actually shared anywhere, but I'm assuming this is 240 by 240 pixels. Now the color reproduction is actually quite good and the panel actually even gets quite bright, which is really good. Now some of you might think it's actually got a small display, so just to give you a rough idea of where the bezels are, that is how big the display is. And the good thing is that the frame itself isn't also very big, which is why the watch display doesn't look very small. It looks pretty appropriate for the frame size, which is a really good thing. It's a compact watch, and that's the best part about the 280CH. We'll also have a quick look at the interface, and you press the button on the side to wake the display or to put it off, which is fairly simple. If you swipe from up, you get quick access to your quick toggles. You have vibration, you have do not disturb. You can also control the brightness from here. I like these icons, they're pretty good. Then you have torch, you have movie mode, which actually dims the brightness and will stop all vibration and alerts. We'll just turn that off. You can check out the weather, you can go into settings. Then if you press the button and you swipe right, you can actually access all your apps. Something worth mentioning, I haven't seen an interface on such a budget watch being so smooth. And these are kind of 3D icons, I'm sure you can see them. I'm not a fan of this honeycomb design because sometimes it's hard to find the apps, but trust me, it's really smooth and responsive. Never once did I feel that it's laggy. I'm sure you can see it for yourself. Then swiping from down, you can actually access the menu. You can see all those from here. You have messages, you have pedometer, you have sleep tracking, you have measure heart rate, sports modes, blood pressure monitoring, SpO2, weather, camera shutter to take pictures from your phone's camera, player to control music that's playing on your phone. You have the breathe app, flashlight and settings. We have stopwatch, we have alarms. You can just turn on or off the alarm from here. You cannot actually set the alarm directly from the watch, which is kind of a bummer, but I won't complain since it's such a budget watch. You have countdown. You can control the brightness from here depending on what you need, vibration, theater mode, reset, power off, QR code and about. Now if you go to the home page and if you swipe right, you can actually access the pedometer, for the sleep, heart rate sensor. This is the sports modes. If you come here, you can access even more of them. Further in, you have your blood pressure monitoring, then you have your SpO2, then you have the weather, then you have the camera shutter again, and you have the music player to control the music that's playing on your phone. Press this button again and you're back to the home page. Press and hold on the home page to change into few of the watch faces that come pre-installed. The best part is I love this new Zebronics watch face. It's got the Z, it's got this analog clock, it shows you the steps. It's very clean, looks really nice. Alright, time to check out health monitoring, and what better to start from? Heart rate sensor. And let me tell you, there is an option in the app to enable continuous heart rate tracking, but remember that will drain your battery life drastically. So we got 76 beats per minute. Okay, time to check out the blood pressure as well. And there you go, we get 111/74. And finally, everyone's favorite, the SpO2 sensor. Make sure you be stable for the most accurate result. And there you go, we get 98%. Now all these health monitoring features are available right on your wrist and they work pretty well. But as I always say, use these just for reference and not for medical purposes. Alright, let's check out the sports modes, and the best way to access it is from the menu here. Come down and you'll find sports modes and you click into open new mode. Here you'll find walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, yoga, hiking, tennis, baseball and golf. Really nice, easy to use interface. We get 12 workout modes, and if you click on it, there's a countdown and the workout will start. Here you can see the timing, you can see the steps, you can see the distance, you can see the calories burnt, you can see the beats per minute, and if you swipe right, here you can see the intensity, green to red, and from here you can stop. You press the red button to stop. Alright, let's check out call alerts. And there you can see there is an instant notification on your watch the moment there's a call on your phone. You can see the time, you can see the caller's name, you have an option to reject the call or silent the ringer. I think silent the ringer is a very handy feature, especially when you're between a meeting. Similarly, we also tested out notification alerts. You receive them on your watch, they are instant. You can see the sender's name and you can even read the message. Now if you're thinking this comes with a small display, which is why it's not going to be clear, you'll be surprised how clear and crisp it is even on a 1.39-inch display. Really good. So quick glance at the Zeb-Fit 20 app, and on the home page you can see the steps you have taken, sleep tracking, heart rate tracking, your beats per minute, your blood oxygen levels, your outdoor running workouts. If you come on the second option, you can actually see the watch is paired, you can see the battery percentage. Right on the top is watch faces. You get about 4 that are pre-installed, and then right at the bottom you can see more watch faces. And here you're going to find so many and so many colorful ones. The list is almost endless. There you go. And if you want to set them, it's a very simple process. You simply click on the image, click download, and there you go. We've got the new watch face quickly here. Now, but if you want custom watch face, you come to this one, you select image, then you select an image of your choice, click OK, and you can even choose the time position. You can keep it down if you don't want to block anything. There you go. You can change the color, you can change the font size, you click save, and there you go, custom watch face right there. So going back, you have notification alerts. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. You can set alarms from the app. You have the shutter button here. In others, you can find device. You can change the time format from 12 hours to 24 hours. Do not disturb, reminders, continuous heart rate tracking can be turned on. But remember, that will drain your battery life drastically. So you can control the music that's playing on your phone. You can choose the language, auto lock. You can choose from 5 seconds to 20 seconds. Drink water reminder, heart rate warning, weather, psychological cycle reminder, which is basically menstrual cycle tracking for women. Very, very handy. And similarly, if you come into the profile, you can change it from here. The only thing right now I can see that it lacks is that you can't share data with Strava or Google Fit. But frankly, I'm not even complaining about that. So the watch comes with 200 mAh battery and should last for about 5 to 7 days, which I think is pretty good considering the price and the features it's offering. Also remember, battery life will vary depending on your use, brightness levels, health monitoring apps, notification and call alerts, but still I can safely say you'll get about 4 to 5 days easily. The only con for me is probably the small display. 1.39 inch is a little too small for 2022 standards, but yet I'd say it's very smartly made. The frame itself is really compact, so even though the display is small, it actually looks pretty good. But still, let's not forget that the price you're paying is super competitive and you still get all the features. It's a watch you definitely won't regret buying. In fact, I'd say it's an excellent gift for your kids. Whoever wants to buy a smartwatch but doesn't want to spend a bomb, this one is a really good option. It's got health tracking, it's got call alerts, you get notification, 12 workout modes with 3 amazing colors to choose from. There's vibrant red, there's black, and there's blue. You can grab the Zeb-Fit 280CH from Amazon for $14.99. But remember, this is just an introductory price. The price could go up anytime. I'll leave the links for all these colors in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Alright, giveaway time. 4 simple steps. First, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Singh. Follow me on my Twitter handle, Mr. Singh. Like the Zeb-Fit 280 post, and fourth, retweet that post with your favorite color of the watch. 2 winners will be picked when the likes and retweets cross 200. Yes, just 200. I think we can do this in just one day. Go right now. Subscribe, follow, like and retweet. Make sure you follow all these 4 steps or your vote won't be counted. Share this video with your friends and family so that we can pick a winner as soon as possible. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, you know you have to put them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them all. Until next time, cheers!